In this video we will learn about clearance template in FlowHCM that will be used employee exit. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the Employee Separation module on top navigation bar. So here you can see Employee Separation Setting Form. Click on Clearance Template. Then click on the Add Clearance Template button. Enter Clearance Template title. Select Approval Type Level for clearance. Specify employee and employee types for clearance level. For every level, questions can be written. If mandatory, click on checkbox. After all questions are entered, click on a Submit button to save the template. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successfully submitted.